Students, today I am here to talk about communication. You very well know the meaning of communication. Communication means transmission of information. There could be many ways of transmission of information. At the moment, I am talking to you is also communication. As you know, at present the technology has reached a new height. And for communication, we have so many ways, and we are using so many electronic gadgets, and all are results of knowledge of electronics and semiconductor devices. Earlier, telegram and telephone were the means of transmission of information. In comparison to those, the way of transmission at present being used is much faster and easier. In seconds, information can be transmitted all around the world. In communication, information is treated as message. Message is the physical manifestation of information as produced by the source. In fact, it is the physical form of any expression which is converted into electronic form. There are two distinct categories of messages in electronic form. One is analog and the other is digital. Analog message varies continuously with time. In fact, the message signal in the form of voltage or current varies continuously with time, as you can see in the plot. Digital message is an ordered sequence of symbols selected from a finite set of discrete elements. Digital signals have two levels of voltage or current, which is not continuous function of time. It is in the form of pulses as seen in the plot. Let us now see how messages are transmitted, which we know as communication system. Communication system is the setup or arrangement used for transmission of information from one place to another. There are three essential elements of any communication system: transmitter, medium or channel of transmission, and receiver. Here you can see the block diagram for a communication system. Transmitter converts the message signal produced by the source into a suitable form for transmission through the channel. For example, microphone converts sound signals into electrical signals, as is done in your mobile also. A photodetector converts light signals into electrical signals. Devices like microphones, photodetectors, which convert non-electrical signals into electrical signals, are called transducers. The electrical signals, called information signals, cannot be transmitted over long distances as their wavelengths are longer. So they are superimposed on high frequency waves called carrier waves. This process is known as modulation, after which the signal obtained is called modulated signal. The power of modulated signal is then increased using amplifier, and the amplified signal is radiated into the space through transmitting antenna. Transmission channel is the link or medium between the source and the destination, that is receiver. This channel may be a pair of wires, a coaxial cable, a radio wave, or laser beam. In telecommunication or telegraphy, wires or cables are the transmission channels, while in radio communication or wireless communication, free space is the transmission channel. During transmission, there is some transmission loss or attenuation of signal. So, with increasing distance, the power of signal gradually decreases. Also, during propagation through the channel, the transmitted signal may get distorted or noise may be added up. The receiver, after receiving the signal, reconstructs the original message, eliminating the noise and distortion. In wireless communication, receiver consists of antenna, demodulator, amplifier, and a transducer. It extracts the desired message signal from received signal through the channel output. Antenna receives the signal. It is a metallic structure used to radiate or receive electromagnetic waves. Demodulator, which is a detector, separates the low frequency audio signals from the modulated signals. Amplifier boosts up the signal to improve its quality. Transducer converts electrical signals into sound waves or light waves. It is a device that converts one form of energy into another form. This way, the information or message produced by the source reaches the destination or receiver. Students, you can think, besides mobile, what are the other means through which you are able to communicate with others? And this will help you to have better understanding about the methods of communication. With this, we end the lesson. See you soon.